Hello friends, I welcome you all in the series of solving APSC prelims papers, previous year papers. In this video, we will discuss paper of 2017. So let's begin. Only the important questions we will discuss here. So let's begin. Who is the founder of Southeast Asia Ramayana Research Center? Date Dr. Mamoni Raizam Goswami. Who is the recipient of Vishwaratna Bhupen Hazarika International Solidarity Award in 2015? He was Adur Gopalakrishnan. So from this question we can also get some input that Bhupen Hazarika International Solidarity Award of latest editions वाला we need to remember कि किसको मिला किसको नहीं. ठीक है, এনেকা হৈ যাব. তাৰপিছত India's average annual growth rate of population during 2001 to 11 was 1.64%. See, here it is asked that annual growth, and we have read only the decadal growth was 16.4%. So divided by 10 equal to annual growth 1.64%. Next questions. In which sector maximum plan allocation and priorities were given in 12th 5-year plan in Assam? This question was cancelled because none of the options were right. In 12th 5-year plan in Assam, infrastructure पे ज़्यादा focus किया गया था. So infrastructure was not there in the options. So it was cancelled. Third number. Who is the first Assamese woman receive Sangeet Natak Academy Award? She was Pratima Pandey Borua in 1988. She received the award. In which division of the British Indian Army Pandey was inducted as a soldier? 34th. Pandey means Mangal Pandey, and it is said about the Sepoy Mutiny of 1857. 34th Bengal Native Infantry. 7th. The contribution of agriculture in India's GDP is none of the above because it is nearly 17 to 18%. So none was nearer it. And next, the WTO was founded in 1995 as a successor organization to the GATT, means General Agreement on Tariff and Trade. It was formed in 1947. During the freedom struggle, Aruna Asaf Ali was a major women organization of underground activities in Quit India movement. The slogan Inqilab Zindabad was first raised by Bhagat Singh, not Singha. After which incident Mahatma Gandhi has called non-cooperation movement as his Himalayan blunder. It is Chauri Chaura, जो कि 1922 में हुआ था. Next question. There are only two known examples of cave paintings of Gupta period in ancient India. One of these is the paintings of Ajanta caves. Where is the other surviving example of Gupta painting is? It is in Bagh caves. Which one of the following Gupta kings had to face the first Huna invention? He was Skanda Gupta has to face that. 12. Who among the following organized a march on the Tanjore coast to break the salt law in April 1930? It was C. Rajagopalachari. Who was called the mother of Indian Revolution? Bikachi Kama. She was in Parsi. In the individual Satyagraha, Vinoba Bhave was chosen as the first Satyagrahi. Who was the second one? He was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and the third Satyagrahi was Brahma Datta. 19th. Who among the following anticipated Newton by declaring that all things gravitate to the earth? He was Brahmagupta. The quorum of the parliament is fixed at 1/10 of the membership of the house, and Article 100 says about this. 15. Who is considered as the founder of the Gupta Empire? Sri Gupta. The first census was conducted at the time of, all the four options was wrong. He was Lord, during the time of Lord Mayo, the first census was conducted. Which one of the following industries is known as sunrise industries? It is information IT industries, information technology. How many satellites were launched by ISRO to create history on 15th February 2017? It was 104. See, from this question we can conclude that ISRO the new initiatives of ISRO, we have to look after it and make note of it because this is important. Okay. MS word is not necessary. Supreme Court was set up under the Regulating Act 1773 because Supreme Court was set up in 1775. During whose region at the Rangapur city an amphitheater known as Rangaghar of 4 animal fight was built? Pramata Singha. Under which of the following articles additional and acting judges can be appointed in the High Courts? Article 224. Which city has issued a red alert for air pollution for the first time ever on December 2015 with a heavy cloud of dangerous smog blanketing the city? It was Beijing. The first Lok Adalat was held in the year. The four option is wrong. In 1982 May in Una, Junagadh district of Gujarat, the first Lok Adalat was held. GST would replace which of the following taxes levied at present? Value add tax VAT. And GST was implemented in 1st July 2017. Who among the following is the custodian of the Constitution of India? The Supreme Court of India. The Altitude Warfare School of Indian Army is located at Gulmarg, Jammu. Which one of the following jurisdictions of Indian judiciary covers public PIL, the public interest litigation, epistolary jurisdictions, which is mainly for the to make the legal service available for the poor people of the society. Okay. 28. Which among the following countries is the largest true contributor to the United Nations peacekeeping mission? It is India. The power of the Supreme Court of India to decide disputes between the center and state falls under its original jurisdictions. Who said India is the bright spot on the cloudy global horizon? IMF chief Christine Lagarde. The maximum permissible period between two sessions of a state legislative assembly is 6 months. Remember, huh? The governor of which state has been vested with the special power regarding the scheduled tribes areas? See, only the Assam option has the state of 6th schedule. So Assam is the correct answer. When was the national anthem adopted by the government? 24th January 1950. The state of Jammu Kashmir was accorded special status under Article 70 of the Constitution. The union government has decided to impose 0.5% cess on which service to fund the Swachh Bharat program. All taxable services pay 0.5% cess was levied. Under which article Supreme Court of India has the power to review its own judgment or order? Article 137. Redcliffe Committee was appointed to delimit the boundaries between India and Pakistan. Who has written 3524 songs in 650 films over 33 years, and due to this, he was eligible for a Guinness Book of World Record entry after extensive documentation and verification of each and every track. Sameer, I don't know. I know nothing about this, so leave me. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Lord Chelmsford. And Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened in 1919. April 1919. The painting on the walls and ceilings of Ajanta cave depict mainly the incident relating to the life of Gautam Buddha. It is a Buddhist art. Which one of the following Mughal building is said to possess the unique feature of being exactly equal in length and breadth? Taj Mahal. Against whom the following was the Lahore conspiracy case registered during the Indian freedom struggle? Vishnu Ganesh Pingale. A woman revolutionary who, while receiving her degree at the convocation at the University of Calcutta from Governor of Bengal, shot him was Deena Das. Though she was unsuccessful, but whatever she had done was a brave act. The viceroy upon whom a bomb was thrown, but he did not change his attitude towards Indian, was Lord Hardinge. In 1930, Mahatma Gandhi started civil disobedience movement from Sabarmati and to Dandi March, because Sabarmati to Dandi they had to go. Who among the following founded the Ahmedabad Textile Labour Association? Mahatma Gandhi. Which one of the following aroused a wave of popular indignation that led to the massacre by the British at the Jallianwala Bagh? The Rowlatt Act, 1919. The Central Institute of Buddhist Studies is located in which city? Leh. Who was the president of Swaraj Party in Assam during the freedom movement? Tarun Ram Phukan, and he is also known as Desh Bhakta. Who among the following was the leader of 1857 revolt of Assam? Maniram Diwan. Which of the following tribes practices nomadic herding for subsistence? Bendomin, Kyrgyz and Bakarwal, all three practices this. Who is known as the most qualified person of India according to Limca Book of Records? Shrikant Jizkar. Every pearl in the royal crown is the crystallized drop of blood fallen from the tearful ears of the poor peasant. Who made this statement? Amir Khusrau. Which of the following devices is used to record humidity? Hygrometer. Next, if a question arises whether a bill is a money bill or not, whose decision shall be the final one? The Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Okay. The WTO basically promotes multilateral trade. Which of the following is not an official language of United Nations? Arabic is there, Chinese is there, Spanish is there, but Portuguese is not there. The permanent headquarters of SAARC Secretariat is located at Kathmandu. Where was the first NAM summit held? In Belgrade in 1955. Which of the following is the National Intelligence Agency of Israel? Mossad. The sum of total income received for the service of labor, land and capital in a country is called national income. 69. The speaker can ask a member of the house to stop speaking and let another member speak. It is called the yielding of the floor. The state which has the largest number of seats reserved for scheduled tribes in the Lok Sabha is Madhya Pradesh. The WTO formally approved which country's membership in December 2015? Kazakhstan. Which of the following is a warm current? Kuroshio current. Okay. The tropical cyclone of Philippines is termed as Bagyo. Which one of the following commercially important group of trees belong to cool temperate hardwood species? Maple, mahogany, oak are the cool temperate hardwood species. Biodiversity forms the basis of human existence in which one of the following ways? Pollination of crops from one crop to another crop. Okay. Which one of the following covers highest percentage of forest area in the world? Temperate coniferous forest. Which one of the following basins experience the conventional rainfall? Amazon. How many kilometers are represented by 1 degree of latitude? 111 kilometer. This is very important and basic question actually. Which one of the following was the first fort constructed by British in India? It was Fort St. George in the Madras. The educated middle class in India remained neutral to the revolt of 1857, and this is one of the cause for the failure of the revolt. Which one of the following was the first English newspaper in India in the year 1780? The Bengal Gazette, produced or edited by John Hickey. Who succeeded Robert Clive to lead the East India Company? Lord Hastings. John Charnock founded Calcutta at the site of Sutanuti, Kalikata and Govindpur, all three. Okay. Next, the seasonal reversal of wind is a typical characteristic of monsoon climate. For which one of the following items? Tirupur is well known as a huge exporter to many parts of the world. Tirupur is in Tamil Nadu and it is known for the knitted garments. The doctrines of non-violence and civil disobedience associated with Mahatma Gandhi were influenced by Ruskin, Tolstoy and Thoreau. Chief ministers of all states are ex officio members of National Development Council. Eightfold Path of Buddha is known as the middle path because it avoids self-indulgence as well as self-immolation. Means it is the middle path because it avoids extremities. Which party was founded by Subhash Chandra Bose in the year 1939 after he broke away from the Congress Forward Bloc? Area-wise, which one of the following is the largest Lok Sabha constituency? Ladakh. It is also known as the cold desert of India. Which one of the following committees of the parliament in India has no members from Rajya Sabha? It is the estimate committee. It is only had the members from Rajya Sabha and ruling party. So thank you for watching. And one thing I would like to say, use previous year questions very smartly to know that from which area the question is being asked. Like for polity, you can see polity questions, history questions have more weightage here. So do focus on that. I'll say just itna hi, and thank you for watching and all the very best. Prepare well, huh?